Hi everyone, I am at Nene Valley Railway. Some people like to call it Nene, some people call it Nene. From what I understand, it's Nen. I'm from the local area-ish, so I should be saying it right, by the turntable that's here, which is pretty cool. So basically I've come here on a random outing for the day because I thought this would be fun and I would show you what I see. Anyway, hope you enjoy it. Bit of garden railway goodness. It's always nice to see that. They've got a ride on railway as well just outside. But here, see you at the distance, you've got the fantastic engine shed over there. It'd be amazing to have a look around there. But we're going to see if there's any locos running. And that should be good. Been here a few times. In lockdown, it was running a small service, well, kind of after lockdown. And it was quite cool because you could come here and have a walk up and down the platforms and just nice. And down there's a bridge you can walk alongside and record the trains coming in. So that was very enjoyable. So I've got 2 tickets for me and Magda. We're going to enjoy ourselves as we're going up and down. So we're not going to go down that way, but we'll be going the other way. But it's a fantastic looking station. So this building's being looked to get restored. They've got a collection going for it. Don't know how they're getting on with it, but it's kind of a very nice looking building. Well, I don't know what right words to use for it, but it's a very elegant looking building, would be the right thing maybe, with the nice bits at the top and everything like that. But what we'll do is when the loco comes in, hopefully I can record that coming in and we'll get a nice shot for the thumbnail as well. But this is kind of my arguably most local railway from where I live. It's that and Northampton Landport, so it's nice to come here. We've got Thomas over here. Go to have a little picture of him. Here he is in full Halloween form. Got a nice hat. Yeah. Even got a nice nameplate here. It's nice to see if we can see anything in the engine shed. This is interesting. So you've got, is that French, that loco in front of me? It's Frix Aarhus, I don't know. That's cool. And then you've got a Polish loco behind, which I understand, well, from ages ago they're running and it was running quite well. I've only seen another one of them running in the UK, which was down at the, I've forgotten the name of it, towards that Bristol direction. I can't remember the name of the railway. I'm sure you'll let me know in the comments. But it's a nice 080 loco with the tiny wheels. But I recorded it when I came here to watch the locos going up and down that time. And then in there, looks like they've got the Battle of Britain in there, which will be amazing to watch that running sometime. So yeah, Spa Valley was the last time I saw one running, so it'd be amazing to see that again. But it's cool to see a nice Polish loco. And is that French? Let me know in the comments. So it looks cool though. And you've got a little sentinel there. Oh, that's good. It's always nice to come to Heritage Railway. Look at how the ground is being kept for if you're doing your model railway. You can add your own little bits in here, greenery between sleepers and everything. As we get into autumn now, so that stuff grows up, well, a little bit easier, I guess, in the autumn, all the moisture. So this is the crossing which they have to activate every time the locos want to come past. So you've got the main roads that come from here. We're not far from the A1 motorway. So you've got a service station down that way, straight off the back of it. Don't know how much traffic they get up here, but either way, they need this to be working. So they've got a guy in here. I don't know if he turns a little wheel. There's a wheel in front of him there. So yeah, we'll see it all in action very shortly. It's a car crossing now. So the loco is coming just up from this way. I didn't think it was coming from this way before, but I thought it only went the other way, which is cool. The crossing is now also open, so that's also very handy. Let's flip that around. So that's just down there. So we'll hop on, find somewhere nice to sit and enjoy ourselves really. It's a bit cobwebby in here, some spiders and candles, so you've got to watch out. But it's always nice to be here. Obviously been on a coat, enjoying the steam and smells of the railway, countryside. Just come check it out. They've done a great job at dressing up the coaches. I think this is it J94 that we're on the back of. It's one of the War Department ones. But it's nice doing this. Got the old telegraph poles. They've got a few different stations on the line, so you get a nice long run when you do this. Yeah, I thought I'd share some of this with you. See all the steam out the window. Well, kind of. There's lots of trees come up at the time. It's always nice looking out the window, though. Not that you can see too much. Just got my ticket, which is fantastic. Very nice looking orange one. Some cobwebs somewhere here. Let's have a look out the window. It's always nice seeing the steam, as I've already said. Bits of cinders in your eyes. That's it. Across the road now, so hopefully people have stopped and we're not going to squash them when they try and cross at the same time. It's always good fun. Like another railway it's good for like crossing roads, like Leighton Buzzard. When I went there was quite a few times to cross the roads. That's quite cool. So this is Overton. So the cars, give them away. Lots of happy people. Ride on our way out here. Some locos, some diesel there. Something at the side. So we've got a nice station there. There's a happy dog. And we've got to Overton Mere. I came to all these stations during the COVID time when we were allowed to be out and about. And went for a little walk around them, so it's nice to see that. Not too much happens here by the look of it, but it's here, which is wonderful for the railway. A little stop. That's what it's doing now. Squeaky stop. There's no one on this one. We've got a road above us. It looks like we're going to be able to go. I'm going to get our Whistler. He's happy. Love seeing that smoke. Look at that. Or steam, sorry. Makes it sound more green if it's steam. Wonder where that goes. Does that go to the main line? It's a bit overgrown. Have to look up on Google Maps. Looking at the map, we came from Wandsford Station. Came down here, chuff, 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 chuff. Stopped there. Stopped here. And and then we got here, and the line went off here. Is where we're going here. So that then goes and joins what looks like, it says here, the main line station. So I guess that's how they can get, I guess, onto the main line to get somewhere or have something delivered or whatever. But that's cool, right? I wonder how often it's used. I'm sure someone in the comments will let me know. But yeah, so we're going to Peterborough now, which you can get off, and you can go to Rail World, which you can see just here, which is at the station. So we haven't got time for that today, but we will have to do it in the future. So we're just coming into Peterborough Station. I've not actually been to this one before. I've only been to the others. A few people waiting. You've got Rail World here as well. So that's, like I said, on that last little bit of video. Got HS125 just over there, which is cool. I wonder what else they have here. They've got some worn out things. They've got a rusty loco just behind here. Can't really see it from here. I wonder how long it'll take for it to go back. Might get to have a look around. There's our loco. They got a shop. And here is the station. Exciting Rail World down here. You can go and see it. It's interesting. Definitely gonna have to come here. Few things to see when you're here. Need a bit more time for this to have a good read, but that's nice. Potatoes.
And some have organized transport systems, coordinating 1 million movements every day, so that others can bring the things we want across the green tablecloth.
So if you fancy a visit, lots to see. This is the last part of the journey. We're going to go over to the last station. You know, so not been this way before. Towards the end of the day, a little bit chilly now. Should have come in the morning, but you know, bit of a random pick in. We've got a tunnel down there. That'd be nice to see. Bit smoky. Whistle song. Might have to tuck in for the tunnel. Looks kind of close to where the coach is. You get a whistle? Let's tuck back for a minute. Limited clearance on this one. Luckily we have lights. Go check it out from the other side. Nice. Yarwell Junction. A nice lake behind here, so if you got off here, maybe there's a nice walk in favour. No, is that private? Who knows? Nice place though. Enjoy the wildlife here. And we're down at Yarwell. Located at Switcheroo on here, so we can go around. Turn the points, switch the points. And off they go. Well, once the guy gets on. Here it is backing up. Might try and do is get a nice thumbnail shot from here, maybe, if I'm lucky, see what it looks like. So Norfolk Regiment, 3193, look at this. Say goodbye to it now. Just want to say thank you to everyone who's watched, my subscribers, commenters, likers, channel members, patrons. See you in the next episode.